Hello and welcome to Selftax YouTube channel. My name is 𝐒𝐸. Today we will discuss an important issue about how you could account for different coronavirus support scheme payments that you had received from the UK government in your UK tax return, and what are the new boxes that have been added in different supplementary pages. So if you are in a self-employment or in a partnership, this video will help you a lot. Now let's just see what new boxes HMRC had included in self-assessment or in partnership form for tax year 2021, where you could include those payments. Remember, the deadline for sending the paper tax return is 31st of October 2021, and if you miss that deadline, you can still submit your return online on or before 31st of January 2022, and of course you can use our platform to submit your online tax return to HMRC. Now, if you're going to submit a self-employment short, also called SA103S, you have to please use box 10 for any payment you received under coronavirus support scheme. It says any other business income include coronavirus support payments such as CGRS but not 𝐒𝐸𝐬𝐬. So any grant you receive under 𝐒𝐸𝐬𝐬, please use box 27.1 here. Self-employment income support scheme grant. So for those who are going to submit a SA103F, also called self-employment full supplementary pages, please use box 16. Any other business income include coronavirus support scheme payments such as CGRS but not 𝐒𝐸𝐬𝐬. So again, for the grant you receive under 𝐒𝐸𝐬𝐬, please use box 70.1. 70.1 on page SEF4, self-employment income support scheme grant. Now, those who are involved in UK partnership and using partnership short or full supplementary pages, also called SA104S or SA104F, please use box 9.1. In both cases, you need to use box 9.1, self-employment income support scheme grant, and yeah, it is self-employment income support scheme grant. And for in case of SA800 partnership form, please use box 3.5. 3.50 other income profits include coronavirus support payments such as CGRS but not 𝐒𝐸𝐬𝐬. It is on page 4. So any grant you receive under 𝐒𝐸𝐬𝐬, it should be included in box 9.1 here, as I already discussed. Okay, the other issue I want to highlight here about incorrectly claimed coronavirus scheme. Okay, let me read the notes what HMRC says about incorrectly claimed coronavirus support scheme. It says if you incorrectly claimed any payment from the coronavirus job retention scheme, eat out to help out scheme, self-employment income support scheme, or from any other applicable HMRC coronavirus support scheme, and you have not already told HMRC about these amounts, receive an assessment issued by an officer of HMRC for these amounts. So for any incorrectly claimed coronavirus, there are separate sections available both in SA800 and SA100. In case of SA100, it is on page TR5, incorrectly claimed coronavirus support scheme payments. Use first box for the amount you received, amount of HMRC coronavirus support scheme payment other than 𝐒𝐸𝐬𝐬 incorrectly claimed. So any grant you have incorrectly claimed under 𝐒𝐸𝐬𝐬, you have to use this box 2. And in case of SA800, you have to use box 3.118 here on page 5, amount of HMRC coronavirus support scheme payments incorrectly claimed. There is another important issue I want to highlight here. If you are going to submit SA800, what HMRC says in the guideline, if exceptionally any partner was required by the partners to account for a payment received under Self-Employment Income Support Scheme, SCISS, or any other applicable coronavirus support scheme payment to the partnership, then include the amount as turnover in either box 3.24 or box 3.29. The partner shares of the payment should be included in the partner's share of profit or loss. So like in this situation, you don't need to include grant you received under SCISS in box 9.1 as I've just discussed. Instead, included in either box 3.24 or in box 3.29. It is 3.29 box, it should be on page 4, and 3.24 it's on page 3, so included as a turnover. Okay, the first, second, and third SCISS grant should be included in tax return 2020, 21, and fourth and fifth will come in 2021-22 tax year. Now, how coronavirus support scheme payments will affect your tax return, that is an important question. For this, you need to log in your Selftax account, check the calculation after including those payments, or if you do not have any account with us, then sign up for free and create your account and fill your return and see how it will affect your tax return. You can also contact us on our email info@selftax.co.uk for any advice on this issue, or talk to us via online chat during UK business hours.